Hello everyone, Habibi here. In this video I'm going to tell you how to make an iOS app based on a web application. I have a web application here which is based on HTML files and JavaScript files, and they are the files here inside my directory. It is on my local web server and I'm running it using XAMPP, and here is the web app, somehow like an ebook reference app. It has some feature, for example quick search function and the table of contents and font size settings, theme changer, appearance changer, and so on. So this is an example of a web app. So I want to make it an iOS app, and I want to publish it on Apple App Store. I will show you how to make the app using Cordova. Cordova, you can download it from how to download and install it. You can find out here. I will share this link later on the description of this video. Here is the getting started page, and you just need to do these 3 steps. First one is just overview, just an introduction what is Cordova, and the second one is installation. I have installed the Cordova and Node.js. I will show you how to do it. First thing to do is to install Node.js. Go to the Node.js web page. Here is the link. Just download the Node.js and install it. Then let's assume that you have Node.js installed. Then you go to the step 3, install the Cordova by calling this command. You go to command prompt if you're working on Windows. If you have Node.js installed, you can type npm and you will see some information showing that Node.js is installed. It's like this. Hang on. And then so this is showing that Node.js is installed. After you have installed the Node.js and it is running, you need to install Cordova by typing this command. Just npm install -g Cordova. Just press enter and it will install the Cordova. I have it installed here in my computer. So the next thing is just to create the app, which is the step 3 here. Let's open up this step 3. I'm going to open my drive C of my computer. Here I have Cordova apps folder here, and then I will make a new app here inside this Cordova apps folder. So what to do next is to navigate to this directory. So I will type cd double dots, then cd Cordova apps. Now here inside this directory I will start creating the new app. Here is the command. You type Cordova, then the command is create. Hello will be the directory or the folder name that you will have after you run this command, and everything will be inside this directory. And this is the app ID, and this will be the app title. So let me just try mine. I type Cordova, create. I will create a folder called politic. Then the the app ID, I will type com.cihuy.politik. Then the app title, belajar politik. Then we press enter. Let it run, let it do its work, and let's take a look here. After creating the project, we need to cd to the directory that we have made. Then we need to add platform. Here in this example, we can add iOS platform and Android platform. In this case, I'm going to make iOS platform only. You can do the Android by typing this command. Okay, the Cordova project is created. If you take a look this directory, you have this folder here. It is the Cordova project directory, and we have www folder here. Here we have to put our HTML files, and in this case I'm going to delete everything inside this www folder. And this one is the web files that I have, that I was showing it to you here. It is the source, and I'm going to copy and paste it here. Just this simple. Then we need to add the platform. As I said, I only will add the iOS platform. Here I'm going to type Cordova platform at iOS. Press enter. Oh, I have to cd to the this politik folder, cd politik. Now I have to add the platform, Cordova platform at iOS. Press enter. Here we got a warning: application for platform iOS cannot be built on this OS. It is saying that we are using this Cordova on Windows machine, and we cannot build the app using this Windows. So we need to build the iOS app using Macintosh, using the Mac OS. You can do it. You can use virtual Mac OS on your virtual machine, or the real Mac OS, to build the project. So basically the platform has been added. If I check this platform folder, we will see this iOS folder is created here, and then this one is the I think this one is the file that we need to open it using Xcode in Mac OS. So right now we have the project set up correctly. I will copy this folder, and I will put it inside my Mac, and then I will build the iOS app from there. So I will pause the video and I will continue later. Okay, here is my project folder inside my Mac, and we need to run terminal to build it. Before building it, make sure you have Node.js and Cordova installed on your Mac. If you check the installation documentation of Cordova, here you can see how to install the Node.js and Cordova in your Mac. Here. Okay, let's assume that you have it installed in your Mac. Then here on your terminal, cd to your project directory. In this case, I'm going to cd to my desktop, then cd politic, enter. Now we have to run this command, Cordova build iOS, Cordova build iOS, enter. And we need to wait until the build progress is completed. Okay, the build process is done. We got this message here, build succeeded. Close the terminal, open the project folder. Here go to platforms, iOS, and here you will have this Xcode project file. Double click to open it. Then we need to export the app to the App Store using the Xcode. Click this icon, go to the, let's set the icon for the app first. Right now we have this icon here which came along with the Cordova. We don't want it. We will delete these icons, delete selected items, and I have an image here. I will use it as app icon for my app. To generate app icon, we can go to this website, appicon.co. Then we can just drag and drop this image here, then select all these options except the Android, and then we download the result. It is here. Double click to extract it, open the folder. Now this one we need to bring it to the Xcode, bring it like this, and then we go to this section, signing and capabilities. Enable the automatic signing, choose the theme and this one also, and the build identifier or the app ID, it should be correct. This is just an example, but I have another build identifier that I have to put it here. Hang on. Okay, this is my build identifier. Just pasting it here and press enter. And the app title, the category, we set it to reference. Display name, I name it pelajaran ilmu politik, enter the version and the build. Go to this info tab. This one will be the build version string. I'll set it to 1.3. The build version will be 3 or 4, doesn't matter, and you can type just 4 here and 1.3.0. If you want to try to run it on simulator, you can select this one, then hit play button to run it on your simulator. It will run the iOS simulator here. It is installed here, and let's see how is it running on this device. Just wait for a moment. Okay, it is running here. You can navigate around. You can change the theme. Okay, now it is the time to export it for the Apple App Store. We go to the product menu and choose archive. Build succeeded, and we click distribute app. Of course, you have to be the active Apple developer and you already joined the developer program. You need to have an account to be able to upload your apps on Apple App Stores. Just find out how to register on Apple developer program, and I cannot explain it here. Let me continue. Just click distribute and it will do its works. Okay, almost done. Alright, that's all. It is uploaded to Apple App Store Connect. You need to enter the app submission form there, and then you need to pass the review steps. And yeah, that's all for this video about how to make a web application using Cordova, and thank you for watching.